The answer lies in a very different bucket, and there is a difference, huge difference between the question he has asked. Actually, it's a very good question, and the answer. These are these are at the different planes, but they connect in mind. Let me try to explain this. Okay, ripples of mind, which cause all delirium or imbalance of mind. The cause of ripples, if we know the remedy. This is a very simple principle, but of course that also doesn't work that way. I'll come one by one. What is the cause of ripples? Any wild guess from anybody? What must be the cause of ripples? What must be the
Your
cause of disturbance?
memory, your past.
Past memory. Okay.
I mean, you are holding it for a long
Holding
time,
it for a long time.
and perhaps your body, like body and mind. So you are sensing either your memory from past or future, or it's like your body is signaling you, like I feel greediness.
Okay.
So it will give up. All negative will start. Oh my God, I fell down. I have to rush to doctor. I have to take oxygen. Nobody is there in a city. If I have something happened, who call my parents?
Yeah,
Right?
but why this occur? Why that occur? My question is one
Your
level down.
experience is not matching with the expectation.
It's not matching with the expectation. Correct. Because in the past some expectation breaking was there, and it was not matching. Why it was not matching? Because we have expected, right? It's correct. We should expect something, right? As a human being. Now we should expect, we didn't get, it didn't match. But has that affected? Has actually it has a result on your
It's
mind.
affecting the
It
mind.
has a result maybe materialistically somewhere, but it has not taken away your pran, right? That is a different zone altogether. It has not taken away anything, rather. Okay, and nobody could able to change it also. So actually speaking, it's a part of Shadripu, right? It's a part of Shadripu. How our mind get spoiled with what Srimad Bhagavad Gita has said, a Shadripu, and there are two more things. So what are the Shadripus? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, and Matsara. See, for example, uh, say I'm delivering this session. Okay, I'm delivering on the basis of past experience and something reading. I'm also a human being, and now people say no, this is wrong. What should happen? My expectations are not met. Now if these expectations are not matching, it means why they are not matching, and it will cause a damage to my mind. Why it will cause a damage to my mind? Because I have that attachment, moha, that people should accolade me. They should say, wow, what a session. If I don't expect, I expect that okay, I should convey it. Whatever that effects happen, that will happen after years, not today. I'm sure about it. So expectation is almost zero. No attachment. So as a result of it, no attachment, no fear, no love, no krodh. There is no anger. If there is no craving, there is no anger. So you will find the actual what you can say root of any agony, any evil. These four evils are there. That is pride, ahankar, anger, krodh, attachment, moha, lust, kam, and greed, that is lobh. These are the 6 Shadripu. Okay. Are you with me? There are 2 more. Yeah, please. Please.
So if there are no expectations, we will be more passive also, right? We are not aggressive. We will not
This
be
is a
aggressive also
yeah.
to
This is
complete
a
the
$1,000,000 question, and every mind will actually ask this question because our minds are logical mind. They are not yogic mind. Our minds are logical, right? We have come with expectation, no pains, no gain. Okay, we are just trying to get the things done, get the returns out of it. That is expectation. Now, I'm not saying that you don't get the things. I'm saying don't keep the expectation. If I keep expectation, I'll get today in the evening a best ice cream out of the world. Best ice cream. And if I don't get a even simple ice cream, then it's a problem. But if I don't keep expectation and I face it, but when the ice cream it comes near to my mouth, I say, wow, yeah, this is very good. Okay, nothing better than this. See, I'm not saying don't take joy out of your achievements. I'm saying don't keep expectation. There's a difference. Why? You should be very selfish about it. If you keep expectations, you will find you will have to land into trouble. And probably there are people who keep so much of expectation that even if they get whatever they wanted to, they'll not able to enjoy. They'll not able to feel joy. That does not mean you should not achieve. Rather, you should achieve more. Right? But that does not mean you should keep expectation. So it's a moha. See, the mind is so deep that when your minimal expectation will be converted into maximum expectation, and vice versa, you will not come to know. And that is well proven by standard of living that we have today, and the standard of living that our parents had 50 years ago. Okay, that proved very well. And not only that, 50 years after, the standard of living which our kids will have, that will be much more smarter, much more with expectations, much more with luxury. Still there will be unhappiness. The reason of expectation. So this Shadripu, you will find, try to analyze any incidents out of your agony, out of your unhappiness. You will find there is a root lies in Shadripu.